up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hold on, let me turn this fan down. Y'all probably can't even hear me. Oh. So boom, bada. I know I've been gone for a long time. We'll get into that later. I'm going to give you guys an update or whatever. So this is my maintenance week. It always got to rain on my motherfucking maintenance week. But bitch, we still finna go get some maintenance. You hear me? And I'm finna be looking cutesy. And I'm going to wear my outfit. I'm going to take pictures. I don't give a fuck. So first, bitch, we gotta, we gotta wash my hair, blow dry my hair, and do my lashes. I'm sitting here piling, eat my motherfucking chicken for fucking lay, bitch. And whole time I forgot I said something missing. Bitch, your lashes. What the fuck? So yeah, I gotta put my lash clusters on, them cluster fucking lashes on. Then I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna blow dry and wash my hair first. So we finna do that. We finna do her Donna. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get ready. And then we're gonna go head to my motherfucking hair appointment. And I hope I have time to get my nails done right after my hair appointment. Hopefully the day will go that fucking smooth. And I don't have cash today, so hopefully she take it at Cash App or Apple Pay. Cause bitch, I ain't got time to stop at motherfucking the bank. I done had an eventful motherfucking off day, bitch. Story time's coming soon. I'm finna be dropping after back. I'm back and I'm better, bitch. And yeah, we ain't finna get all into that. We gonna get into that in another video. But yeah, stay tuned. So this is how I wash my hair, you guys. Y'all see me looking like motherfucking Miss Seeley around this bitch. Y'all, I ain't even gonna lie. I need to start taking care of my natural hair again. Because I was just like, bitch, it's no way your hair is the same length as it was 2 years ago. So I've been starting to take care of my hair. Getting in these more natural hairstyles. Laying off wigs and stuff like that right there. Making sure I'm oiling my hair. Keeping it moisturized. You know, getting these protective hairstyles like braids and sew-ins and stuff like that right there. But yeah, I use this argan oil shampoo, and I use the coconut something conditioner. Like, it smells amazing, and it really lathers your hair and stuff like that right there. But y'all, I have been missing in action. Like, I really miss you guys. Like, y'all, my life has been really, really hectic. I know I've been saying, oh, videos coming soon. Like, I just been busy, not even gonna lie. Like, my life has completely like shifted in these last few months. You know, since I started my workout journey, I have less time as well. Like, now I feel like, you know, I don't really be having that much going on. Until recently, bitch, I was like, you know what I'm saying, on my celibacy journey. Remember, I told you guys about that. And you know what I'm saying, I ain't had too much really going on. I was just working out, you know what I'm saying, working on myself, working like a Hebrew slave, and that was it. You know, working on my content, working on me. Now that I done, you know what I'm saying, built most of my platforms and stuff like that right there, I feel like I'm comfortable enough to, you know what I'm saying, kind of take a break or take a breather, not put as much effort into those platforms and just come on over here and do my shit, because I know I could do my shit over here too. Like, I miss y'all. Like, I used to go live and stuff like that right there. Live's coming soon, y'all. Live's coming soon. But yeah, like, I just been going through a lot, like, recently. And then story time's going to be coming soon. I'm just letting y'all, I'm putting that shit on the floor right the fuck now, because folks got me fucked up. All the way fucked up. Do you hear me? And not in a good way. They got me all the way fucked up, man. I've been running through these. It's like it ain't nothing. Like a relay. But it's just like, hey, man, say, man. You know, I can't say too fucking much. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be like a little maintenance vlog. It's supposed to be like, you know, positive. Little voiceover and stuff like that right there. But I was just giving y'all like a little preview of everything that's going to be coming up. You know what I'm saying? These next couple of weeks. June's going to be full of just me dropping back to back. And yeah, on a pussy ass hole, period. But y'all see my motherfucking hair. Like, I hate the fucking shrinkage on my hair. Like, I be looking bald head as fuck. Like, I be like, hold on. Like, girl, you used to have them inches. What hop on? And I was just like, you know what happened? You start throwing the wigs on. Stop taking care of your natural hair. Really fucking up your hairline for real. Fucking up the set. Now I look like you got a bald spot in the fucking center of your fucking forehead. You know, so, yeah. I had to take a break from them wigs, y'all. I look so good in the wigs. I know. But it's just like I had to take a break. And then that stuff was just starting to be expensive. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I was like, bitch, I'm spending like $200-300 on a wig like every week. Like, bitch, yeah, some gotta give, ho. But yeah, so I'm finna show you guys like my this is basically like my wash routine basically, and my, you know what I'm saying, prepping my hair for my hair appointment. Y'all ain't gonna believe this, bitch. So y'all, this is the morning of my motherfucking hair appointment. mind you, the night before, I had a time. I was up late, didn't get home. I was tired as fuck. I'm gonna tell y'all about that and what happened and how I got my back blew out and shit like that right there. But anyway, we gonna keep that cute. So I had to literally wake up and blow dry my hair and stuff. I literally thought I was gonna have enough time, and literally I still ended up stressing for time and all that bullshit. And y'all ain't gonna believe I left my hair at home. I was gonna sew in. I had 3 bundles. Mind you, my bundles of hair was literally on the floor right in front of me. Like y'all see, I'm sitting at my desk or whatever, blow drying my hair. Boom. The hair is literally under there, just sitting there watching me washing it. I'm sitting here rushing, trying to blow dry my hair, make sure it's all dry, get my clothes on, make sure I have my cute outfit on. I had to do my lashes as well. Like, I was not stunning my motherfucking hair. Like, that's my fault. But, baby, when I tell you I got to that damn hair appointment, and we gonna get into her. But anyway, y'all, so this is how I blow dry my hair. I literally do it like this because it's fairly easy to me. Like, my hair gets dry really, really quick, and you know what I'm saying, it stretches. And I love like how when I do like this, like it seems like my length comes back a little bit, and it like helps with shrinkage and stuff. I know some people don't blow dry their hair. See me, I have to blow dry my hair or else I'm gonna have knots for days. My roots are gonna be tangled up and some more shit. So I go in with this brush blow dryer as well. I love this. It saved me so much more time. Like, for real, so much more time on the detangling process, even though I already detangled my hair beforehand. But yeah, I really love this little handy dandy blow dryer. But yeah, so y'all see what it's giving or whatever. So now I'm just gonna put that in a 2-strand twist and tie it off, you know what I'm saying, so I can do the rest of my head, so I can move on to these motherfucking lashes, okay? Period, bitch. So y'all, not even gonna lie, I've been on cluster lashes real bad. Ever since I got introduced to cluster lashes on motherfucking TikTok, baby, I tell you, I have not seen a strip. I have not even bought a strip or thinking to buy a strip. No shade. And I don't even think I would ever get individual lashes again. I only got it like one time before, and that shit irritated the fuck out of me, bro. Whole time. From the time I got up out that damn chair to the time I took them hoes off. But yeah, so it's very simple, easy to apply. You know, I just put the little glue on there, the little lash glue, and then I just, you know, stick the lashes up there. It is kind of time consuming, y'all. It take me about, like, I would say anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes to do this whole motherfucking process. And that's me rushing. If I took my time, you know what I'm saying, I would have just, like, you know, did them better. I feel like I could have did them better because they was falling off and shit. So they're falling off right now. So yeah, but I was in a rush, so I had to do what I had to do. So yeah. So this is what it's giving, bitch. So yeah, I have to shave my face. Y'all know I got PCOS, so I had to shave my motherfucking face. And, you know what I'm saying, get some of my sideburns off because I'm finna get cute. I don't want to give man by the face. I don't want to have no bird growing in when I'm having that bust down 30-inch. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I just used my little eyebrow razor and some soap to shave my chin. Now it seems like I have to do it more frequently, but hey, yeah. So I go in with a little bit of alcohol. And, y'all, I got sent this Tropicals tonic for, like, ingrown hairs. And I think it's been working. No lie. I haven't really got an ingrown hair on my face in a minute, so I'm just gonna keep using that. And I've been using it on my bikini line too. No shade, I've been using it down there. But yeah, y'all, so this is my outfit or whatever. True Religion on my ass. Yeah, and I don't like the gap in the back, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna believe what size these fucking shorts are. They're a size 29. And just to think, I was finna buy them online and get a size 34. Them hoes would have been big as fuck. And y'all know what I noticed? I have tons of blue shoes. I didn't even know this. These are blue and white. I have these blue and whites, and I have those 11s. Those what they called, Space Jams? Not Space Jams, but them white and blue 11s. Bitch, I was just like, I have so many fucking blue shoes, and I have so many different variations of blue dunks. Like, bitch, I said I'm obsessed. I'm unconsciously buying shit like this. All right, y'all, we finna head on and mosey on down there to my damn hair appointment, honey. It's finna fucking rain. It just always gotta be on my maintenance week. It did this last time too, y'all. Like, for real. I ain't have no time to get my motherfucking toes and stuff done yesterday, bitch. I had to make it do what it do, baby. But it is what it is, honey. So, yeah, I'm finna go to my appointment. Try to get my nails done today. I do not fucking know. I broke all my toenails yesterday. That's a story time for another motherfucking day, bitch. Oh my God, they painting my house. They done fixed the AC. It's a lot. I gotta give y'all a life update. But yeah, hopefully the life update comes out before this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys at my hair appointment. Baby, the way I just had to run to this motherfucking car, the way I just had to run me to my motherfucking car. Bitch, she ate down. Do you hear me? Do you see these fucking curls? Bitch, I'm mad because I thought, like, I don't know. But yeah, honey, let me go ahead and start this car up. So I'm trying to see, like, should I get my nails done? Because I don't want my hair to mess up while I'm out. Honestly, if I'm hopping in and out the car, it shouldn't be a problem. But I just need to hurry up and get it done. So tomorrow I won't have nothing to do. Probably just make videos for y'all. So probably I need to go ahead and knock it out so I can just make videos for y'all for the rest of the day or tomorrow. Yeah. Y'all love my hair? Period, bitch. I'm starting to up the skull, bitch. Yeah. Last time I got a little side part or whatever, and I got a middle part, bitch. This bitch, I'm going to keep coming to her even though every time I come, she late. And she a little heavy-handed, and she a little rude when she be pushing my head because I don't like that shit. But let me go put on my lip combo, beach, and let me go get cute, beach. Might get some deep tonight. I don't know, might get dick down tonight. I don't want to get, man, I think the last time I got my hair done, and on the same day, I got woe the fuck out, bitch. My hair was fucked up. I was like, you a hater. You a hater, bitch. But anyway, let me do my lip combo. Bitch, yeah. Alright, y'all, unfortunately I am back at home because it had rained the rest of the day. I don't think it's raining now, but I honestly don't feel like going any fucking where. Haven't ate anything this afternoon, but I'm trying to see what I'm finna do, honey. I might just wait till tomorrow and just relax for the rest of the day because my knees are hurting, bro, from that. I took a trail. I gotta tell y'all the story time. Oh my gosh, my legs, my back, my legs, for real, my fucking legs. But yeah, y'all, so I just did some content and stuff like that right there. Still in process of working right now. So yeah, jumping back into YouTube is gonna be a lot, but if I could do everything else and achieve my goals on all other platforms, I feel like I could do it here. So I'm just gonna put in the work. I'm putting in the work. I'm just gonna be consistent, put in the work, put you guys all in my motherfucking business, take you guys everywhere. Like, I'm streaming and stuff. I'm not gonna stream because I'm too busy for that. But yeah, so let me go top my hair because edge is already lifting. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I go get my nails done. Anyway, y'all, so today we finna go get my nails done and stuff. We finna go to the mall and we finna go to the store. Hopefully that's all the stuff I'm gonna do today. Probably gonna get something to eat. I got this little, you see, little jumpsuit on. I really don't like how it fit. It's giving baggy, bitch. I don't know. Are you ready? Taking my son with me because we're gonna do some birthday shopping. I'm not getting him nothing. Just get him an outfit, get some shoes, probably get your hair done. You don't deserve nothing from me, and you know why. You ain't doing this. Your fault. We would have went to Disney World this time, but nah. I ain't look at that room. I ain't doing it no more. But yeah, y'all. So I'll pick y'all back up when we get to the nail shop. This fucking jumpsuit, bitch. I ain't never been this shit again. Oh, look at my hair. All right, y'all, we just left the nail shop. My fucking edges are coming up and they crusty and dusty. Oh my soul. I should have did my edges before I left the house. Look how she did my hair. Get on in the car. Why the door ain't locked? What was it? All right, y'all. We finna go shopping. We finna go get some shoes. Probably grab something to eat. What else? Get him an outfit, and that's probably it. No. All right, y'all. I completely forgot about y'all. I ain't even gonna motherfucking lie. Bitch, so we didn't go to the mall. It ended up raining because I seen the rain on the way there, and it done caught up with our ass. My hair just a frizzy, bitch. So I went by. I stopped on, like, Taro and got us some shoes. So I got both of us the shoes. And peep this. They didn't even have the shoes on display. I just so happened to see her, I guess, sizing the shoes up in her hand. I'm like, why y'all don't have the shoes on display? Like, why do you, like, got the shoes in the back or something? Like, what the fuck? So yeah, I went ahead on and got me a pair, got him a pair, and yeah, we just got some wings and got my nails done, y'all. This is what my nails is looking like. I forgot to show y'all my nails. I'm gonna show y'all my toes when I get home. But yeah, that is basically the end of this maintenance vlog. Y'all seen me get my hair done. I did my lashes. Got to redo my lashes a little bit because I had story time's coming soon, baby, soon. Honey. Nails, toes done. Period. I'm good in the hood. Now I just got to get him prepared for his birthday. We're not really doing too much because of his behavior. He's still acting up, child. Really, he don't, like, I don't know. Am I the only one that don't reward bad behavior, like, as a parent? Like, I feel like that is such an important thing to raise your kids, like, to know that there's consequences to their fucking actions so they won't grow up to be assholes. Anyway, I'll see y'all when I get home. All right, y'all, I'm back home or whatever. So here's my nails. Y'all see how I got them. I know the light a little wonky or whatever, but baby, I'm tired. I'm high. I'm finna go eat, finna make some videos real quick, take my clothes off and relax. Do you hear me? But yeah, so that is the end of this maintenance vlog, honey. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for my story times, cause what, bitch? Stay tuned for my motherfucking story times, period, because they coming. I just gotta make the motherfucking videos. I just gotta talk about it. First of all, I gotta remember every key detail, because I love to give y'all, like, the key details, because I want y'all to know every little thing. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, my lashes look like they fucked up. But anyway, ew, this rain is just taking me out, y'all. But yeah, y'all, so make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all send this video to a friend or something. The fuck? But yeah, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.